Ready to move your USDT from Binance to OKX with ease. First, open your OKX app and tap on Assets, located at the bottom right corner. Then, select Deposit. Search for USDT in the search bar. After finding it, select USDT to proceed. Now, choose your deposit network carefully. Turk20 is generally a popular choice due to its lower fees. Select Turk20 and copy the deposit address that is shown on the screen. Next, open your Binance app and tap on Wallet. Then select Withdraw. Select USDT for withdrawal. Paste the OKX deposit address you copied earlier into the address field on Binance. Double-check the address to avoid errors. Ensure that the selected network on Binance matches the one you chose on OKX. Again, we are using Turk20 here. Enter the amount of USDT you wish to transfer. Take note of the network fee that Binance displays. Be sure that you have enough USDT in your Binance wallet to cover the amount you want to transfer and the fee. Review all the details carefully on the confirmation screen, specifically the address and amount. Confirm the withdrawal. You may need to complete additional security verification steps. Once the transaction is confirmed on Binance, head back to your OKX app. The USDT deposit will initially show as pending. After a short while, the transaction status will change to completed, and your USDT balance will be updated in your OKX wallet. Congratulations, your USDT is now safely transferred.